Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying your calendar and recipients. Open Outlook where you keep events. Once done, choose how you will share. Attach an Ix file for full details, paste an image for quick view, or use calendar sharing for live access. Make sure recipients have permission to view events if needed, and note whether you need to export a date range. Now export or prepare the event view so the next step, composing the email, is fast and precise. You compose the email and go to Insert Calendar Desktop or attach the exported Ix Web. When inserting, pick the date range and detail level, full details versus limited busy/free, because recipients need the right context. If you prefer visuals, switch to your calendar view, take a clean screenshot or export as PDF and paste or attach it. Make sure the subject and body explain what the calendar shows so recipients know whether they should accept, comment, or simply review. You finish by sending a test message to yourself and checking that the attached Ix or embedded calendar opens correctly and verify time zone displays. Once done, send to recipients and include simple import instructions. If someone can't view the calendar, make sure you shared with the correct permissions and that they use a compatible client, otherwise resend as a PDF or screenshot. If the Ix imports wrong, confirm event.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.